Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add private story link on Snapchat. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Snapchat. Once you open Snapchat, you simply need to take a picture and then you need to click on the third icon in the top right. And here you can see the last option, story. And here you have two options, custom story, anyone who joins can contribute, or you can see second one, that is private story, only I can contribute. Click on that and here you can write anything. So I'm going to write how to solutions. Okay, and then you need to, if you want you can send to, and if you want you can post. So this is a process by which you can add private story link on Snapchat. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.